To replace the reservoir return tank with the new one, it's pretty simple. Just release that clamp there, disconnect that hose, loosen these two 10mm bolts, loosen that clamp down there with that hose, and the unit will just slide forward. That is a recovery tank. And if you look down here,
that's the petcock.
that's what you're going to use to drain the radiator. At this point, you can go ahead and open up the top reservoir to break the vacuum in the system.
Make sure you have a catch basin to catch all this used antifreeze so it doesn't pollute the ground.
And just give it a couple minutes to clean itself out. Once it stops draining, put the petcock back on. You'll hear it click when it's on all the way. Pull it forward, and it'll come off the bracket. There you go. She's out. We'll put the nice new one back. There's the bracket that it slides into. Slides into that.
We attach the two 10mm nuts. Make sure you hook up your hoses and tighten up the clamps. I like to use a super coolant. It helps reduce the temperature by 30 degrees, and it helps lubricate the water pump, and it helps prevent corrosion. On my Jeep I use Mopar antifreeze. It comes in bittered, so it's not attractive to little animals. It's full strength, so you'll have to cut it 50-50 with water, and more cost effective that way.
Once you fill the system up with water, go ahead and turn the car back on. Go to heat. Go ahead and start it up. High heat, max. And just let the water run through there for a couple minutes. Actually 10 minutes, so it's 146 now. We'll give it to 156. That'll guarantee that you're getting water through the inner core, through the engine block, and back outside into the radiator.
Use the top hose bleeder valve to burp the system. Open it up slowly, letting some of the antifreeze and water mixture out until you see all the bubbles dissipate. Once you're done getting all the air out of the system, close the valve back up and top off your system with the antifreeze and water mixture again. Fill the reservoir up to the full mark. Don't overfill it, because once the system heats up, antifreeze will expand and come out and make a mess of your floor. Once that is complete, put your top back on securely. Make sure you have good airflow, hot, temperature is rising. Once you confirm that you don't have any leaks, you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification icon for the latest videos as they are released. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.